Sharks command our attention. They are magnificent creatures. They have patrolled the oceans for millions of years. We are drawn to their sleek power. We are humbled by their ancient lineage. Sharks are a vital part of our planet's story. They are a testament to nature's enduring strength. Sharks predate the dinosaurs. They have witnessed the rise and fall of countless species. They have adapted to changing oceans. They have thrived in diverse environments. Their resilience is remarkable. Their ability to survive is inspiring. Sharks are a symbol of the ocean's enduring power. We are only beginning to understand these complex creatures. New discoveries are being made all the time. Sharks are revealing their secrets slowly. We are learning about their intelligence. We are discovering their social behaviors. We are uncovering the mysteries of their underwater world. Our fascination with sharks is understandable. They are a source of both fear and wonder. They are a reminder of the wildness that still exists. They are a testament to the power of nature. In their survival, we see hope for the future of our oceans. Sharks are often misunderstood. Popular culture has painted them as mindless killers. Movies like Jaws have instilled fear in our hearts. This fear is often misplaced. Sharks are not the monsters we imagine them to be. The truth is far more nuanced. Sharks are essential to the health of our oceans. They are apex predators. They keep populations in check. They prevent overgrazing of vital habitats. They maintain the delicate balance of the marine ecosystem. Attacks on humans are rare. More people are killed by falling coconuts each year than by sharks. Sharks are not actively hunting humans. Most attacks are cases of mistaken identity. We are intruders in their domain. We must move beyond our fear. We must embrace understanding. Sharks are not villains to be feared. They are fascinating creatures deserving of our respect. Sharks are ancient. Their lineage stretches back millions of years. They predate the dinosaurs. They swam in oceans before trees existed on land. To understand sharks, we must journey back in time. We must delve into the depths of their evolutionary history. Fossils are our guide. They tell the story of sharks' evolution. Sharks' cartilaginous skeletons don't fossilize well, but teeth, scales, and other remnants paint a picture. We see their forms change over eons. We witness their adaptation to a changing world. 400 million years ago, the first shark-like creatures emerged. These were not the sleek predators we know today. They were primitive. They were unlike any shark alive now, but they carried within them the seeds of what sharks would become. Over millennia, sharks diversified. They evolved into a myriad of forms. Some were massive, some were tiny, some had bizarre features. Each adaptation reflected their environment, each change a testament to their survival. Today, over 500 species of sharks inhabit our oceans. Each species is a branch on the shark family tree. Some branches are closely related, others diverged millions of years ago. Yet all share a common ancestor. All carry the legacy of survival in their genes. There are the powerful hunters, the great white with its size and ferocity, the tiger shark, a scavenger with an indiscriminate palate. These apex predators command our attention. They evoke both fear and fascination. There are the strange and wonderful, the hammerhead with its distinctive head shape, the sawfish wielding its rostrum like a living blade. These unique adaptations speak to the power of evolution. They highlight the diversity within the shark family, and there are the small and often overlooked. The dogfish, a common sight in shallow waters, the lantern shark, illuminating the deep sea with bioluminescence. These sharks may not inspire awe like their larger relatives, but they are no less important to the health of the ocean. Section 3, the dance of adaptation. Sharks' success lies in their adaptability. They have weathered countless changes. They've survived mass extinctions. They've thrived in environments that would kill other creatures. Their resilience is a testament to their evolutionary prowess. Their cartilaginous skeletons provide flexibility. This allows them to maneuver through the water with agility. Their streamlined bodies reduce drag. This allows them to swim with speed and efficiency. These physical adaptations are key to their success as predators, but sharks' adaptations go beyond the physical. They possess keen senses. They can detect electrical fields produced by their prey. They can sense vibrations in the water. These sensory adaptations allow them to hunt with deadly precision. Sharks continue to evolve today. They are constantly adapting to a changing ocean. As we learn more about them, we gain a greater appreciation for their resilience. We marvel at their ability to thrive in a world that is both beautiful and brutal. Sharks are a testament to the power of life to adapt and endure. The world's oceans are vast and varied. From sun-drenched shallows to the inky blackness of the abyss, life teems in countless forms. Sharks, in their many forms, have conquered these diverse realms, each species adapted to its niche, contributing to the delicate balance of the underwater world. In the tropical coral reefs, a riot of color and life unfolds. Here, reef sharks patrol, their sleek forms weaving through coral formations. They are guardians of these vibrant ecosystems, keeping populations in check and ensuring the reef's health. Out in the open ocean, pelagic sharks roam. These are the nomads of the shark world, constantly on the move in search of prey. Blue sharks, with their slender bodies, built for speed, chase down schools of fish. Oceanic white-tip sharks, masters of energy conservation, patiently stalk their prey in the vast blue desert. The cold, dark depths hold their own mysteries. Here, deep-sea sharks thrive in a world devoid of sunlight. The frilled shark, a relic of a bygone era, resembles a creature from a prehistoric world. The goblin shark, with its extendable jaws, is a testament to the strange adaptations found in the abyss. Sunlight bathes the shallow seas, creating a world of vibrant life. Kelp forests sway in the current, providing shelter for countless species. Here, sharks play a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of this ecosystem. Leopard sharks, with their distinctive markings, patrol the sandy bottoms. They are ambush predators, patiently waiting for unsuspecting prey to venture too close. Their presence keeps populations in check, preventing any one species from dominating the ecosystem. Along rocky coastlines, dogfish sharks congregate. These small bottom-dwelling sharks are a vital link in the food chain. They feed on crustaceans and other invertebrates, controlling their populations and preventing imbalances in the ecosystem. Even in estuaries where freshwater rivers meet the salty sea, sharks thrive. Bull sharks, known for their adaptability, can tolerate a wide range of salinities. They are opportunistic feeders, playing a crucial role in maintaining the health of these vital nurseries for many marine species. As sunlight fades with depth, the ocean transforms into a realm of perpetual twilight. Here in the cold, dark depths, life takes on strange and wonderful forms. Deep-sea sharks, adapted to survive in this extreme environment, are a testament to the resilience of life. The frilled shark, with its eel-like body and rows of backward-pointing teeth, is a living fossil. It resembles sharks that swam the oceans millions of years ago. Little is known about its life history, adding to the mystique of this deep-sea denizen. The goblin shark, with its distinctive elongated snout and extendable jaws, is a creature of nightmare. Its bizarre appearance is a testament to the unique adaptations found in the deep sea. Despite its fearsome looks, it is a slow-moving predator, relying on stealth and its extendable jaws to capture prey. Even in the deepest trenches, where pressure is immense and temperatures hover near freezing, sharks survive. The Portuguese dogfish, found at depths of over 12,000 feet, is one of the deepest diving sharks known. Its presence in this extreme environment highlights the remarkable adaptability of these ancient creatures. Sharks have conquered every corner of the ocean realm. From sun-drenched shallows to the inky blackness of the abyss, they have carved out their niches, becoming integral parts of these diverse ecosystems. Their presence is a testament to their adaptability, their resilience, and their importance in maintaining the delicate balance of life beneath the waves. Sharks are apex predators. They sit atop the marine food chain. Their presence, though often unseen, is constantly felt. They are the unseen hand guiding the intricate dance of life beneath the waves. They are the balance keepers, ensuring the health and stability of the ocean realm. Their hunting strategies, honed over millions of years, are a marvel of nature. They target the weak, the sick, and the injured. This natural selection process prevents the spread of disease. It strengthens the gene pool of their prey species. It maintains a healthy balance within the ecosystem. Consider the impact of sharks on coral reefs. These vibrant ecosystems are under constant threat from overfishing and pollution. Sharks, by keeping populations of herbivorous fish in check, prevent overgrazing of coral. This allows the reef to thrive, supporting a diverse array of life. Their role extends beyond direct predation. Sharks influence the behavior of their prey. Fish avoid areas where sharks are known to hunt. This creates a mosaic of habitats, allowing for greater biodiversity. The presence of sharks, even indirectly, shapes the underwater landscape. Section 2. A ripple effect: sharks and the food web. The impact of sharks on the marine food web is profound. Their influence cascades down through trophic levels, affecting even the smallest creatures. Their presence, or lack thereof, can trigger a domino effect, altering the very structure of the ecosystem. Imagine a coastal ecosystem where sharks have been overfished. Without their apex predator, populations of smaller predatory fish explode. These fish, no longer kept in check, decimate populations of herbivorous fish. Seagrass beds, once vibrant and teeming with life, are overgrazed and collapse. This scenario, unfortunately, is playing out in many parts of the world. The decline of shark populations is having a ripple effect on marine ecosystems. We are witnessing a loss of biodiversity, a decline in water quality, and a decrease in the overall health of our oceans. But there is hope. In areas where shark populations are protected, scientists are observing a rebound in marine life. Coral reefs are recovering, fish populations are stabilizing. These success stories demonstrate the vital role sharks play in maintaining healthy oceans. Section 3. Beyond the bite: human benefits. The benefits of sharks extend beyond the marine ecosystem. They provide tangible benefits to humans, both directly and indirectly. Understanding these benefits is crucial in fostering a greater appreciation for these often misunderstood creatures. Sharks play a vital role in regulating the ocean's carbon cycle. By preying on scavengers, they prevent the release of carbon stored in dead organisms back into the water column. This helps mitigate the effects of climate change, a global challenge facing humanity. Shark tourism is a growing industry, generating revenue for coastal communities and providing economic incentives for shark conservation. Divers flock to see these magnificent creatures in their natural habitat, fostering a sense of wonder and respect for the marine environment. Sharks are also a source of bio-inspiration. Their skin, covered in tiny tooth-like scales called denticles, has inspired the design of more efficient swimsuits and ship hulls. Their immune systems, honed over millions of years, hold promise for the development of new antibiotics and treatments for human diseases. Section 4. Guardians, not monsters. Sharks are not the mindless killing machines portrayed in popular culture. They are complex creatures, perfectly adapted to their environment and essential to the health of our oceans and our planet. They are guardians, not monsters, deserving of our respect and protection. The image of a shark, teeth bared, slicing through the water, is deeply ingrained in our collective psyche. It's an image fueled by movies, by news reports of attacks, by the primal fear of the unknown lurking beneath the surface. But how much of this fear is rooted in reality, and how much is a product of our own perceptions? It's undeniable that sharks are predators, equipped with powerful jaws and sharp teeth. They are finely tuned hunting machines, honed by millions of years of evolution. However, humans fall far outside their typical prey choices. We are not blubbery seals, nor are we schools of fish. Our physiology doesn't register as a primary food source for most shark species. The vast majority of shark encounters are non-fatal, often involving curious individuals investigating something unusual in their environment. Bites, when they do occur, are often cases of mistaken identity, a test bite to determine edibility, or a defensive reaction from a threatened animal. These encounters, while frightening, are rarely driven by malicious intent. However, the perception of sharks as mindless man-eaters persists. This perception has real-world consequences, leading to the demonization of an entire class of animals and hindering conservation efforts. To coexist with sharks, we must move beyond fear-driven narratives and embrace a more nuanced understanding of their behavior and ecological significance. While the vast majority of shark species pose little to no threat to humans, a handful of species warrant a healthy dose of caution and respect. These are the sharks with a documented history of interactions with humans, often due to their size, feeding habits, or proximity to coastal areas. The great white shark, with its imposing size and reputation as an apex predator, tops the list. Their presence in coastal waters, particularly those frequented by seals, their natural prey, increases the likelihood of encounters. While attacks are rare, their size and power demand respect and awareness. Tiger sharks, known for their scavenging nature and indiscriminate palates, also warrant caution. Their presence near harbors, fishing areas, and areas with potential food sources can lead to encounters. Their tendency to investigate and scavenge means they may be more likely to interact with objects in the water, including humans. Bull sharks, highly adaptable and capable of tolerating both salt and freshwater environments, are another species of concern. Their presence in estuaries, rivers, and coastal areas frequented by humans increases the potential for encounters. Their aggressive nature and territorial behavior necessitate a cautious approach. It's crucial to remember that these species, while potentially dangerous, are not inherently malicious. They are wild animals following their instincts, in an environment increasingly impacted by human activities. Understanding their behavior, respecting their space, and practicing responsible ocean use are crucial steps in minimizing risks and promoting coexistence. The ocean is a shared space, a vast realm where humans and sharks often cross paths. These encounters, while potentially nerve-wracking, are opportunities for observation, understanding, and promoting responsible interactions. For those venturing into shark territory, whether for recreation or research, awareness is key. Understanding shark behavior, recognizing potential warning signs, and following established safety guidelines can significantly reduce the risk of negative encounters. Avoiding areas known for high shark activity, particularly during dawn and dusk when sharks are most active, is a simple yet effective precaution. Refraining from swimming in murky water near river mouths or in areas where fish are schooling can also minimize risks. If an encounter does occur, remaining calm and avoiding sudden movements is crucial. Maintaining eye contact with the shark, if possible, and slowly exiting the water while facing it can deter potential aggression. Remember, panic and erratic behavior can be misinterpreted as prey-like behavior. Ultimately, coexistence hinges on respect. Respect for sharks as vital members of the marine ecosystem, respect for their space and behavior, and respect for the power and unpredictability of the ocean environment. By embracing these principles, we can navigate shared waters responsibly and ensure the continued survival of these magnificent creatures. The fear of sharks is deeply ingrained in our culture. However, fear should not dictate our actions. Knowledge, understanding, and respect are far more effective tools for fostering coexistence and ensuring the long-term survival of these magnificent creatures. For millennia, sharks have ruled the oceans, their predatory prowess a testament to their evolutionary success. Yet, in a cruel twist of fate, these apex predators have become prey, their numbers dwindling under the relentless pressure of human activities. The hunters have become the hunted, their future hanging precariously in the balance. The demand for shark fins, a prized ingredient in a luxury soup consumed primarily in Asian markets, fuels a barbaric trade that decimates shark populations worldwide. Sharks are often captured, their fins brutally removed and then discarded back into the ocean, left to die a slow and agonizing death. This cruel practice, driven by greed and a disregard for life, is pushing many shark species towards the brink of extinction. But the fin trade is just one facet of a multifaceted threat. Sharks are also targeted for their meat, oil, cartilage, and other body parts, which are used in a variety of products from cosmetics to fertilizers. This demand, coupled with the slow reproductive rates of many shark species, makes them particularly vulnerable to overexploitation. The tragedy lies not only in the sheer number of sharks killed, but also in the disruption of marine ecosystems. The removal of these apex predators sends shockwaves through the food web, leading to imbalances that can have cascading effects on the health and productivity of our oceans. The plight of sharks extends beyond targeted fishing. They're often caught unintentionally as bycatch in fisheries targeting other species. These accidental captures, often discarded as unwanted casualties, add another layer of pressure on already vulnerable populations. Longlines with their miles of baited hooks are particularly indiscriminate, ensnaring sharks along with their intended targets. Gill nets, walls of netting that trap anything swimming into them, pose a similar threat, entangling sharks and other marine life. The scale of this bycatch is staggering, with millions of sharks estimated to be killed each year as a result of these unsustainable fishing practices. Compounding the problem is the degradation of shark habitats. Coastal development, pollution, and climate change are all taking a toll on the environments sharks rely on for survival. Mangrove forests, vital nurseries for many shark species, are being cleared for aquaculture and other purposes. Coral reefs, once vibrant ecosystems teeming with life, are bleaching and dying due to rising ocean temperatures and acidification. As the habitats shrink and degrade, sharks are forced into closer proximity to humans, increasing the likelihood of encounters and potential conflicts. This human-wildlife interface, often characterized by fear and misunderstanding, rarely ends well for sharks. The decline of sharks is a tragedy of our own making, a consequence of our insatiable appetite for the ocean's resources and our disregard for the delicate balance of life beneath the waves. It's a legacy of apathy, a failure to recognize the intrinsic value of these ancient creatures and the crucial role they play in maintaining the health of our planet. The consequences of our inaction are far-reaching. As shark populations plummet, the intricate web of life in our oceans unravels. We lose not only these magnificent creatures, but also the countless benefits they provide, from regulating ecosystems to inspiring innovation. The time for complacency is over. We must act now with urgency and determination to reverse the tide of destruction and secure a future for sharks. The fate of these ancient mariners, and indeed the health of our oceans, hangs in the balance. The challenges facing sharks are daunting but not insurmountable. By embracing a multifaceted approach that combines science-based conservation measures, sustainable fishing practices, and public awareness campaigns, we can turn the tide and ensure the survival of these magnificent creatures for generations to come. Guardianship, a collective responsibility. The fate of sharks rests in our hands. We have the power to reverse the tide of destruction and ensure their survival, but it requires a collective effort, a global commitment to stewardship and responsible ocean use. It demands a shift in perspective, from viewing sharks as commodities to be exploited to recognizing them as invaluable assets deserving of our protection. International cooperation is paramount. Sharks know no political boundaries, their migrations spanning vast stretches of ocean. Agreements between nations, such as the Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Flora and Fauna, which regulates the trade of endangered shark species, are crucial steps in curbing overexploitation. Strengthening and enforcing fishing regulations, both domestically and internationally, is essential. Implementing science-based catch limits, reducing bycatch through the use of more selective fishing gear, and establishing marine protected areas where sharks can thrive are all effective conservation measures. Consumer choices have a powerful ripple effect. By saying no to shark fin soup and other products derived from sharks, we send a clear message that cruelty and unsustainable practices have no place in our society. Supporting sustainable seafood choices and demanding transparency in supply chains empowers consumers to make informed decisions that benefit both marine life and coastal communities. A future with sharks charting a course for coexistence. Coexisting with sharks requires a multifaceted approach, one that combines science-based conservation measures with public education and outreach. It demands that we bridge the gap between fear and understanding, replacing myths and misconceptions with knowledge and appreciation. Education is a powerful tool. By teaching future generations about the importance of sharks, their ecological role and the threats they face, we foster a sense of stewardship and inspire the conservationists of tomorrow. School programs, public aquariums, and community outreach initiatives play a vital role in shaping attitudes and promoting responsible ocean use. Supporting scientific research is crucial. By studying shark behavior, migration patterns, and population dynamics, we gain a deeper understanding of these creatures and can develop more effective conservation strategies. Tagging programs, genetic studies, and long-term monitoring efforts provide invaluable data that informs management decisions and guides conservation efforts. Promoting responsible shark tourism is another avenue for coexistence. Well-managed ecotourism operations such as cage diving with great white sharks provide economic incentives for conservation while offering unforgettable encounters that foster respect and appreciation. These experiences can be transformative, replacing fear with awe and inspiring a desire to protect these magnificent creatures. The ocean's silent guardians, a legacy at stake. We have journeyed through the ages, tracing the evolutionary path of sharks from their ancient origins to their current plight. We have explored their diverse forms, marveling at their adaptations and the crucial roles they play in maintaining the delicate balance of our oceans. Yet as we stand at this crossroads, the legacy of these magnificent creatures hangs precariously in the balance. The statistics paint a sobering picture. Shark populations worldwide are in decline, some teetering on the brink of collapse. The relentless demand for their fins, meat, and other body parts, coupled with habitat destruction and climate change, has created a perfect storm, pushing these ancient mariners towards an uncertain future. The consequences of their demise extend far beyond the loss of a single species. Sharks are keystone predators, their presence reverberating throughout the marine ecosystem. Their removal triggers a cascade of effects, disrupting food webs, altering species interactions, and ultimately diminishing the health and productivity of our oceans. The ocean's silence, should sharks vanish, would be a deafening testament to our failure. A failure to act, a failure to protect, a failure to recognize the intrinsic value of these creatures and the vital role they play in the intricate tapestry of life on Earth. A Blue Hope rewriting the narrative. The challenges facing sharks are daunting, but not insurmountable. Hope lies in our collective action, in our ability to rewrite the narrative and chart a course for coexistence. It requires a fundamental shift in perspective, from viewing sharks through a lens of fear to embracing them as essential partners in the quest for a healthy planet. Science must be our guide. By understanding shark behavior, migration patterns, and the complex interplay of factors influencing their populations, we can develop effective conservation strategies tailored to their specific needs. Research provides the foundation for informed decision-making, guiding our efforts to protect critical habitats, minimize bycatch, and promote sustainable fishing practices. Education is our most powerful weapon against ignorance and apathy. By fostering a sense of wonder and appreciation for sharks, we empower future generations to become stewards of the ocean. Through engaging curricula, interactive exhibits, and citizen science initiatives, we can dispel myths, ignite curiosity, and inspire a lifelong commitment to conservation. Ultimately, our fate is inextricably intertwined with that of sharks. The health of our oceans, our planet, and indeed our own well-being hinges on their survival. The time for complacency is long past. The time for action is now. Let us rise to the challenge, embrace our role as guardians of the deep, and ensure that these magnificent creatures continue to grace our oceans for millennia to come.